Good morning. We out here on this beautiful Sunday, getting some work done on Big Red. Broke that clutch line the other day, started leaking out all that hydraulic fluid. So I went ahead, got my man pulled up on me on this beautiful Sunday. See him on there, getting her right so we can hit the road tomorrow, make some money. Being out here owner-operator, it ain't easy, fellas. It ain't easy. We got to go ahead. Every day something happens. Saturday I had to go to the dealer, get the parts. Today's Sunday. Had to wake up bright and early. Got that coffee on deck. Get the work done, just so we don't miss no loads and we can keep making this money. But I'll go ahead and talk to y'all. You definitely got to have a good mechanic on deck. A good, knowledgeable mechanic that can get you right. Because a lot of the downtime that we get is off of not having a proper mechanic or someone that can get you up and running. A lot of these dealers, they only focused on keeping you in there and charging you by the hour, and you're not a priority to them. They care about them big guys. But as an owner-operator, one-man operation, you definitely got to have somebody that wants to see you up and running for as long as possible and get you up and running as quick as possible. Hence, I got my man out here. He left his family, came out here, and he's getting me right, and I appreciate that. Now, I want to talk about something else with these trucks. When you buy a used truck, everyone has mixed feelings on this topic. The warranty, the extended warranty. Me personally, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I bought an extended warranty on my truck, and I have not used it once. I've had my truck a year now. I've put a good 15 grand on repairs in on the truck, and I have not touched that warranty once. You call them about anything, they want your truck to be completely undrivable before they even touch it. Then they have the deductibles and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some advice. Don't get the warranty if you buy a used truck. Just have some money put up, and pay for your repairs out of pocket, because there's two downsides to the warranty. First one being, they want you to take it to their place. You can't just go anywhere with the warranty. So if I can't go where I want to go, that's a downside to me. Secondly, they want your truck to be completely immobilized and that part completely worn out before they even put in a warranty job, which doesn't make sense to me, because these warranties are up there, $4,000 or $5,000, some are even $12,000, and then you spend a lot of time down trying to get this truck fixed. And for me, it's time versus money. If I go ahead and I'm down for 3 weeks, that can cost me 20 bands in revenue for just a $5,000 repair. But just to get the warranty to do it, I lose 20,000. I'd rather go ahead and spend that 5,000 out of pocket and make the 20, and you're up and running in a couple of days as opposed to a couple of weeks. So my advice to all my new owner operators: if you buy a used truck, don't get that extended warranty. I advise against it. Only warranty I would say to get is straight from the dealer. If you're gonna buy a truck from a dealer and they're gonna offer you that warranty that comes with the truck, by all means take it. You buy a new piece of equipment, take that warranty. But if you gotta pay for a third-party extended warranty, don't make sense in my opinion. Just go ahead, put you up some money, pay for all your repairs yourself, and trust me, you'll spend a lot more time on the road. Like I said, I got my man's here. He comes here. He's on a pull-up. Sometimes I go to his house, but that he's saved me thousands of dollars with just pulling up. I don't work weekends. I work Monday to Friday. So he comes through on the weekends when I'm already home, takes care of the truck, as you see, and gets me going real good. So definitely, if y'all over here in the Northeast section, hit me up. I could plug you with him. We got something in the works. New mobile mechanic business coming soon, so y'all stay on the lookout. Make sure y'all go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I keep that heat dropping for y'all. Holla at me, all my transporters.